Happy birthday, baby Lucas! We love you so much!
Happy birthday, Lucas! We love you!
Happy birthday, Lucas! We love you so much!
Connection beyond imagination. Now every ray of sunshine is smiling down on me. Every bend in the road is a paradise to see. A special
Happy birthday, baby Lucas! Thank you kasi kasama ka namin ngayong 1-year-old ka na. I love you so much. Mahal na mahal ka namin lagi.
connected dots, the stories blind led to a forever happy ending. A warm embrace.
Happy birthday, Apo!
Apo, mahal na mahal ka namin, si Lucas.
Paglaki niya, kinakailangan matalino ang apo kaya.
Apo ko, Baby Lucas, sana lagi ka mabait hanggang sa paglaki mo at matupad ang mga pangarap ng mami mo sa iyo. Tuparin mo sana.
And now we shine. Meant to be. Meant to be. Every ray of sunshine is smiling down on me. And every bend in the road is a paradise to see. 'Cause it's meant to be. Meant to be. 'Cause it's meant to be. I wish I could take the numbing ache of fear, ringing it in your ears and throw it all away.
Happy birthday, Lucas. Apo, mahal na mahal ka namin. Message ko po na sana gabayan siya ng Panginoon na maging healthy at magaling. Yun lang po. At saka, alam ko naman na nasa maayos siyang kalagayan. Kaya, sasabihin ko na lang na happy birthday, Lucas, and many more birthdays to come.
Rooftop glow, but heaven above means we're living in hell below. So don't ask me why I'm taking another step. Can't tell you why I'm taking another step. After this climb.
Happy birthday, Lucas! Mahal na mahal ka namin. Baby Lucas, happy first birthday. Nandito lang si Mami at Daddy para sa'yo. Wish namin sana good health para sa'yo. And pagdating ng panahon, makamit mo rin yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Pag natapos ka ng pag-aaral, yun yung pangarap namin sa'yo. Siyempre, nandito lang kami para gabayan ka, para yung mga pangarap mo sa magandang landas, sa magandang daan, makamit mo. Okay? And syempre, mahal na mahal ka namin. Yung pagmamahal namin bilang mama mo at papa mo, hindi mapapantayan ang pagmamahal ng kahit na sino dito sa mundo.
Maybe you'll find
Happy birthday, baby! Patang araw na naging masaya. Sobrang saya namin ni Daddy mo. Wish namin na lumchik mag-hit at masunod rin sa amin ng Daddy Rizon. So, syempre, makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Yun lang, happy birthday, baby. I love you.
The horizon is almost inside for us. Another night, 'cause you're gonna know. Rooftop club, but heaven above means we're living in hell below. So don't ask me why, take another step. Can't tell you why, take another step. After this climb, maybe you'll find rooftop love. Take this message